These are the 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time observations for Phoenix and Arizona on 10th April 2025. Downtown Phoenix experienced sunny weather, with temperatures reaching 69 degrees Fahrenheit. The wind was blowing northeast at speeds of up to 17 miles per hour. The air quality is excellent for outdoor exercise, with no precipitation and a comfortable humidity level of 47%. Unseasonably low temperatures have been recorded across the state, with some areas seeing readings up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit below normal. The National Weather Service is investigating the causes. Residents should stay informed and take precautions to stay warm, as prolonged exposure to these temperatures can be hazardous. More updates will follow as the situation develops. These are the 2 p.m. Central Standard Time observations for Chicago in Illinois on 13th April 2025. Chicago experienced sunny weather, with temperatures reaching 19 degrees Fahrenheit. The wind was blowing northeast at speeds of up to 17 miles per hour. Winter storm warning in effect from Sunday evening through late Monday night. What? Heavy snow is possible. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 15 inches are possible. Where? Northeast of Chicago. When? From Sunday evening through late Monday night. Impacts. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Precipitation will begin as rain or a rain and snow mix Sunday afternoon, then transition to all snow on Monday. Snow will be heaviest from Sunday evening through Monday afternoon. Total snow accumulations through late Monday night will be 7 to 13 inches. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on the situation. These are the 12 p.m. Central Standard Time observations for Minneapolis and Minnesota on April 15, 2025. Minneapolis experienced cloudy weather, with temperatures reaching 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Blizzard warning is in effect from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. The National Weather Service Minneapolis has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Locations: Minneapolis and St. Paul. Hazard types: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations: up to around 2 inches of snow is forecast overnight through the Tuesday morning rush hour. An additional 7 to 9 inches of snow is forecast Tuesday evening through Wednesday. Total accumulations of 8 to 10 inches are forecast. Winds: west 30 to 38 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures: in the lower 20s. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less. Timing: the heaviest snow and the strongest winds will occur Tuesday night into Wednesday. Impacts: blowing and drifting snow will produce dangerous travel conditions. Wind chills from 5 degrees below zero to 5 degrees above zero will produce extreme cold impacts. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
following urgent message is transmitted at the request of the Nevada Division of Emergency Management. The National Weather Service has recorded a drastic and alarming drop in temperatures across the region, plummeting to dangerous lows of -10 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold has led to critical infrastructure failures, with widespread reports of buildings freezing solid. NASA is actively investigating this unprecedented and rapidly unfolding situation. Please stay tuned for further critical updates as they become available.
And it's in your hands to find a brand new world for two. The electric blue. In my eyes you can see the day. Like the sun, now I want. I got a heart full of redemption. I was a bad love, now I can get some.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency. The National Weather Service has detected temperatures dropping to between -40 degrees Fahrenheit and -20 degrees Fahrenheit. There have also been numerous reports of individuals freezing outside, as well as buildings experiencing freezing conditions. Residents urged to stay inside a warm shelter and to seek additional safety precautions from local news sources.
I got a heart full of redemption. Yeah, now run, baby, run from the bad love. New love, baby, come on and give me some. Run, baby, run from the bad love. New love, baby, come on and give.
Make of Zoe's who was on his permit.
Here's a guy driving a car into the ocean. What is he doing? Would you be okay if McDavid wins the next 2 Stanley Cups just to become a free?
This message is being issued at the request of the Utah Division of Emergency Management. Currently, temperatures are plummeting to dangerously low levels, ranging from -75 to -60 degrees Fahrenheit. Numerous reports indicate that buildings are succumbing to the extreme cold, with ice forming rapidly on surfaces and infrastructure. Tragically, there are also instances of individuals freezing to death in these harrowing conditions. Authorities at NASA are actively monitoring the situation and analyzing the ongoing developments. Please avoid going outside unless it is necessary. Please stay tuned for further updates as they become available.
Agent, not to be a king.
Absolutely
but
not.
To have the chance to be a free agent.
I need verification.
That he would be a free agent. No,
Well, but then if he's a
king.
free agent, what are the odds that he becomes a king? That's the thing, though. Now it's.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A severe global crisis is occurring, with many people and buildings facing life-threatening freezing conditions. Oceans are also freezing, and temperatures are plummeting to around -120 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. NASA has confirmed that the Earth is slowly moving away from the Sun, and they have stated that all life on Earth will become extinct tomorrow. Unfortunately, there is no way to prevent this situation. At this point, all you can do is accept your fate. We encourage you to gather with your friends and family and spend these final moments together. We will conclude this final activation of the emergency alert system with the playing of the national anthem.